camera. Hi. Don't drop your phone.
Oh, it looks like you might be in this too, after all.
Yep. Yeah. Camera. It's a camera.
Is it waterproof?
Sort of.
Huh?
Sort of. I don't know if I trust it.
Filming all of this?
Parts of it.
What if you tip over?
It'll get wet.
We're already starting.
He's rocking the boat.
Bag back there?
Hey, Mom!
Hey, Ben.
What?
Hey, Ben.
Yeah.
Why can't you wear your fancy swimsuit?
It's not fancy.
Exactly. Just because it has a cool design doesn't mean it's fancy.
So, Brad,
You're steering.
you need the help.
I'm trying to film. I'm the photographer. Yeah.
There you go. Bathroom already?
Are you stuck?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, it's all your fault.
Let's go get him back. You can't tell them.
Secret. Ow.
Excuse me.
We didn't get you.
No. You're the driver.
The action cam.
Don't stop that. My hair is horrible.
Oh my gosh, my hair, it's horrible. Check out the nice hairdo. Oh my gosh. Look at
Oh, gee, you went out of the house like that?
Hello.
Hello. I'm Lauren.
Hello,
Say
Lauren.
cheese to the camera. For the camera. I want some chips. I mean popcorn. Come over here, Leah.
Careful. Careful!
Oh, careful! Ah! Here, I'll pass it to her.
Save the
I'll
popcorn.
pass it to her. Do you want this, Leah? Trail mix? Yeah. I love it. Okay, but you're getting it. Yeah, I'm gonna pop for your legs. Is this supposed to be lunch?
Rock the boat! All right, Mike, tip it over. I got the camera going. Like we talked about. Go.
Lauren.
Oh, sorry.
Did she do it again?
What happened?
It's fine.
She meant to do it, man.
They're doing what me and Michelle used to do.
I'm afraid I do not want to see that again.
Michelle would tease me. I would smack her.
Yeah. What's he got there?
Camera.
Okay, now it's very deep.
It's probably all the.
What?
It's probably not mud.
Oh, hurry up. We're going to get somewhere up
Oh,
here. Hurry up.
Michelle, to blame? No.
You having fun?
You're on camera.
You having fun?
You
You can take your time now. You know. Whatever seats. You have the list of the most comfortable seats. She deserves it now. She earned it.
We pulled her everywhere.
Okay, here we go.
Lauren, you want to see what's like the... Someone push us off, please?
Yep.
That's nice. It's not very clean, but it's refreshing. If you look over here, you won't want to touch the water.
Sewage around your legs. I'll get the water. Yeah, I got it going here. You're going to be tagging along with us.
There you go.
You can jump off that cliff.
Go, little engine. I think I can.
Getting tired yet?
You've got to sleep that night.
Right?
Now we can't lose them.
Waves.
Who does? Yeah, right. Nice soft
Dad,
seat.
you pooped your pants?
What? No.
Dad, you pooped your pants.
Look, Dad.
Right
Yeah, sorry about that.
Look, they're connected.
Dad, why'd
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Oh, no, this is Apple.
What are you doing?
We're all connected!
Oh, well. Wow, he's moving. It's pretty good here.
You can get stuck though.
Here, let's go, Maddie.
What?
You're getting stuck.
Hey, Maddie, you go there.
That's what she said. She said this way's too shallow. You're gonna get
No, there's
stuck.
still a stick there.
You see?
I'm sure he'd like that. All that.
He can pull us all by foot.
It's gonna make a nice video though.
You feel a little guilty about you pulling this, but
Not really. We'll get
not
there.
enough to do anything.
We'll get there anyways.
Here, Dad. Get here.
In the cooler. Hey, Mike, tip it over now.
Now's the time.
Right.
Get your paddles working now.
Let's go.
Come on.
Mine's broke.
What's the rush?
Mine's broke.
Oh, no, that's good for you.
Hey, bang it in. It's funny how we're tied up. We're coming around.
What is that dragonfly one? The dead one? You ready to get...
Watch out for that rock garden. Hey, man, look to the right, there's a fish.
Mom! What?
Yeah, I saw him.
What was it?
Something jumping over here.
Oh, really? Carp? Paddle! Okay, I'm pedaling.
Paddle.
What's this?
Oh, paddle! Got it.
Because Ben was tilting it.
How's the water, Leah?
Tip it over, Ben. Huh? Tip it over. No!
Lauren needs to get wet. Lauren needs to get wet.
It's Lauren's turn.
I have my clothes on. So are you too? I have my shorts on.
Ben, tipping it means leaning on one side.
I know what? It doesn't work.
There's rocks here, so don't hit
Mama,
too
just
far.
don't sit there. You doing it?
Don't hit the
Ben,
bench.
stop.
Be careful, there's rocks.
We are farmers.
See? Shallow.
I got your sand. All right, let's get this thing.
Oh, rocks.
You get on that end. Or here, you get on the shallow. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let's untie this one. Hang on. Oh, the rocks. It's the rocks.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Alright.
Hang on.
Stay there. Stay there. Do not get on that boat.
Hang on, Carol. I'll help you. Let me get in the middle.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, there's another one way back there.
Let me get this now. Wait a minute, Carol. Okay. Yeah, let's lift it. Okay. Can you lift it? I don't know. Ready?
I can't.
Okay, we're good, drop. Thank you.
You get in it. You all right, Carol?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, there's a paddle back there, but then there's a paddle coming. The other paddle is stuck in a tree.
Get in.
Thank you. I don't have an oar to get anywhere, but...
Yeah, Mom, there's another one lost in a tree back there.
Sure.
So,
There's one coming downstream here.
I see. Here, Carol. You guys.
they're stuck in a tree back there. There's one stuck in a tree back there.
Do you have your two?
Yeah, and we have an extra one.
Oh, you have three. They have 3 oars in their boat, Mike.
There it is. It's right up there.
Mike, don't worry about it.
For what, the oar?
Yeah.
You're going to have to turn it in.
They got 3 oars.
Melissa, did you fall in?
No, I
Wait,
hit
you're both in the
I hit
same?
in
A
the-
little bit.
What?
Hey, Mike.
It hit her right there.
Tell me
It
I'll
hit
get
her
it.
face.
Hey, listen.
No?
I've looked everywhere. I've looked everywhere. Yeah, it's not in here. It's not in that one pocket. This is what happens when you connect the boats and then go through a tree and two of the boats tip over. Yeah, it's wet, but he says his phone's in here, but I don't see it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but he put his camera in his special pocket, but he didn't. Well, his phone is somewhere in the water. Brad Martin's phone. And they're way back there. Everything is here and accounted for except a phone. Don't ever connect canoes ever again. Bad idea. Especially if you run into a tree. Yeah, it's recording. It's not in there, unless there's a pocket I don't know about. I've emptied the whole bag. So Mike is way back there trying to get an oar, and yeah, he's struggling and he's far away, and yeah, it's tragic. It's gonna take a while to catch up. That boat over there, way back there, has like 5 people in it. Maximum is 3. So tragic.
Found a really full life vest.
Where's our?
Oh,
we
yeah?
lost that oar then?
It had like barnacles or something.
Really?
I don't think that's ours.
No.
Was there no sign of the phone?
And Dad's phone is bye-bye.
Yeah, it's gone.
Good
Good thing is your keys are still in the bag, so.
The keys are still in the bag?
Keys are still in the bag.
Hey.
How many oars we got?
Well, okay.
They have 3.
So we had an extra oar.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Well, okay.
You guys have 3, right?
This is a story we'll talk about.
Oh my gosh, that was recording. I told the story to the camera.
It's a story. We're all okay. Leah didn't die. It's all right.
Sounded like she was dying.
I came close.
I seriously thought she was
I thought
dying
she
from
was
her
dying
scream.
too.
If you look at her,
And of course the mother that I am.
Mike, go get her.
Yeah.
Get in the water and get her. And the blood curdling screams as you look at her. I'm like, she's fine, but she's like, you want to go get her.
Mom. Mom, look. Mom, look at my stomach.
It's still dry, popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? How'd that happen?
Mom, look at my stomach.
The bag wasn't closed that tightly.
Mom,
Yeah. But if I thought I was falling in, I'd be screwed.
We're only, what, maybe at mile 8? I would think so.
Yeah. Nice day out.
That's what I told him too.
Take a look at some nice people eye here in the pretty river.
Some nice what?
Hi.
That's what Leah said when the camera was
I wasn't paddling. Hey!
Is this the cliff you jumped off of?
No!
If you can climb it.
Get him out of here! No! Look at it! That was Ben's fault.
Ben, you're gonna get hurt sick.
I'm sick. Anyone
Where?
watch it?
You're gonna get stuck, Mike. You're definitely getting out. Hit the brakes. This place pretty, like the Dells.